Well, this is where we sit so far before I start sanding. That's what's gonna happen in this one. We're gonna sand it down. I might put down a layer of body filler. We let it dry again. Put a pretty good coat on this time. Try and get everything nice and flat. I think this time might be the last. I packed in all these edges so that way hopefully I'll get a nice edge. I don't know. Never really used it. It's I got the Bondo glass, so it's got like the reinforced fiberglass filler. I don't really know how strong that shit is, but I put it up and around the edges, so hopefully I can get a nice clean edge. I was thinking about doing, like they got like stuff that goes on the edge of your door, like so when you open it and it hits like another car or anything like that, it doesn't mess up your paint. Thought about doing that for like trim edging or something like that. Just put that all the way around the edge, because that'll give me a nice clean look. I'm hoping that'll turn out good. If not, then I always got that trim edge stuff. I'm still thinking, I don't know if you guys got any ideas of how I should fasten it. I could do double-sided tape like it was stock, which I kind of don't want to do. I kind of want to make it removable. But I've also thought about doing rivets, which are still not removable, but I kind of like the look of rivets. I could also do like nut certs in the back, and then do bolts. I could just do self-tappers. I don't want to like attach it to this panel. I just don't. I don't know. I like the look of this being separate from this. Kind of squeezed in through some tape there. I don't know, we'll see how well the edge cleans up. I think it looks pretty good. Maybe like this inside edge, maybe and I'm gonna put it in primer next, just to get a color on it and see if I can see high and low spots better with that. That'll be what's next, paint. Just get a coat of primer on there. I got some filler primer, so. Just had to make my quick little makeshift paint booth over here, don't mind that. Oh, there it is in primer gray. You can still see I've got like these little imperfections. I didn't do any of this edge with Bondo yet. I think part of the problem is I was using that Bondo with glass. I don't think that stuff goes on as smooth as normal Bondo. I mean, I might be wrong, but that's my guess. But either way, I'm very impressed with that. if I didn't have the time all winter, I'd probably just run it like that. But we're gonna make it look good. So, but all right, let's go throw this in. We'll throw it in real quick. Here we go with it on there. That Bondo did work pretty good for these edges. It's got it sitting upright because before it was sagging. It was sagging. I built it up on the bottom, so now it's sitting in there real good. This was the one I was really worried about. Once I sand that stuff down flat, I think it'll look real good. Yep, that looks so good. That's awesome. But, alright. Well, next video, maybe trying to get these little guys out, or it'll be me starting on the other side since I already have all that stuff. So I might just get the other one up to this point. So next video you might see me doing the other side. But if you like this and you want to see the finished product, or if you just like watching me build this car, like, comment, subscribe.